Alright, so I kind of feel up to it, and it's decently cool out here this morning. I'm going to go ahead and work on these bags. I got my other camera looking down on us, and I hope everything shows up good, and we're going to put this framework in and see what it does. Okay, I've finally got these things installed, and I'm happy and I'm not. I just cannot deal with this saggy bag problem. I mean, I'm happy about the fact that they made my bags to where they're not sagging anymore. That is a fact. They get an A for that, because my bags are definitely look better now. They even look the same size from the back. But I got a couple of issues here. One of the main things is with this framework. I mean, it was easy to install for the most part. I had to fight with the other side, but fairly easy to install. Got to fight with them a little bit, but that's understandable. The problem for me is the fit. Now I understand, I fully understand leather shrinks. It's really hard to guesstimate sizes and everything, but this is kind of ridiculous, guys. That is a solid inch that frame goes out further than what my lid does. That's not going to work, man. That's going to let all kinds of air up underneath there, and it's going to eventually start misshaping that lid. It's going to start folding it back. I mean, that's a solid freaking inch at least. That, I can't make that up. And on the other side, I got that same problem with this. I got a solid inch here between where my corner is and where this framework is. And that makes, I mean, I can barely get this thing, I can barely get that latched, because this can't get down there far enough. So there is some drawbacks, but overall it did what is it, bag iron or iron bag? I think it's bag iron by Ride Solutionz. It's a little frame that you put in here. I tried to do the installation, but my GoPro didn't record it, so I lost that footage. Big surprise. I'm about done with GoPros too, because I keep losing footage. So anyways, they're in there. There are some issues, but the bags do look better. But I'm still not happy. So my brain is still thinking about getting hard bags and putting them on there. So that's a couple of issues. I mean, I actually thought that they told me the wrong way to put it in at first, because of how big of a difference it was. I was thinking maybe I was supposed to put the small end to the front, but no, that's not the way it goes, not according to their directions. I mean, if I had the small end up there, it would fit. It fits perfect down here. I'm not exactly sure why that spreads out so much like that. But anyways, it did take care of my saggy bag problem, so that's good. I'm still not happy with the way these bags look though, so we're gonna have to go from there.